This is Barbara Reese reporting for This Week in East Brunswick. We're very fortunate to be here today with representatives of Healthcare Quality Strategies, a nonprofit firm here on Cranberry Road right in East Brunswick. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We have Karen Hale, who's the Outreach Coordinator, and Christina Destro, who's the Communications Outreach Coordinator. So tell us, Christina, a little bit about the company.
Okay, so Healthcare Quality Strategies, also known as HQSI, has been in New Jersey for about 25 years, and we're a Medicare quality improvement organization, and we work with healthcare providers in New Jersey to improve quality of care for New Jerseyans.
So tell me a little bit, let's say I have a grandma or mom or a grandpa who has diabetes, let's say, and they're on Medicare. How does your firm help us, Karen?
Well, currently we have a program called Everyone with Diabetes Counts. And with this program, we are doing workshops throughout the state of New Jersey where we are educating people about how they can help themselves and take control of their own lives, control their own diabetes. And we're also working with providers on how in their own practices they can help their patients a little bit better.
Now, Christine, I understand there's a seminar, actually workshops, a series of workshops coming up here in the East Brunswick office. Could you tell me a little bit more about what they'll cover?
Sure. The diabetes self-management workshops, they'll cover things like learning about diabetes and its risk, the role of exercise and diet, maintaining willpower, managing medications, importance of doctor exams, and really just self-management skills for people with diabetes.
So for those folks who are not familiar with diabetes, there's a lot of issues, health issues that come along with remaining healthy while having diabetes, having a normal lifestyle. So someone who's first diagnosed with that, how would you help them with these different workshops to handle that?
Well, first off, we always refer people to listen to their doctor and follow their doctor's advice. Because this is self-management, we want them to empower them to work with their healthcare provider and their management team, right? But to also not be afraid to ask questions when they do go to the doctor and to their healthcare provider, but also to empower themselves to take action and to start exercising and to start eating right and to take those steps. Because sometimes people are afraid to take those steps, to start eating right or to start taking the medication. But first and foremost is listen to their provider first. We tell them that that's very important, to always listen to what the provider says.
And Christina, what are your hopes for folks who take the workshops, the results that you hope they attain?
We want them to feel successful and that they improved their self-management skills. One of the things we do in the workshops is portion plates for food. So helping their nutrition and starting to exercise, we want them to feel successful with themselves.
And I understand that you have a book that you're going to show us. This is an item that they receive at the workshop?
Yes, all of the participants do receive a copy of this book for free. So it's a guide that we follow along, and it's a great tool. So we don't give homework in the workshops. No one likes to do homework, but we do encourage readings that will just help the participants in the book. And it's really great because it has exercises that the person can do, and it talks more about nutrition and just healthy eating and different things that we discuss throughout the workshop. So it's a really great tool that the participants can use.
And it's living a healthy life with chronic conditions.
Correct.
So there's a little bit of something for everybody, a lot of different ailments there that over time you have to manage.
Right.
Excellent. And when are these workshops going to happen?
The diabetes workshops start on Tuesday, January 27th, and then they're once a week every 6 weeks. So the dates are January 27th, February 3rd, February 10th, February 17th, February 24th, and March 3rd is the last one.
Okay. And is there a cost involved with the workshops?
That's the best part. They're completely free.
Wow. So you're really supporting the work of Medicare and helping people to remain healthy.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's a wonderful service that you provide, and right here local in East Brunswick for people to find more about. We were talking, and I understand, Karen, there's some populations that are not aware of all that's afforded to them and that they could take part in. Is that part of your
Yes.
goal, to reach out to these folks?
Yes, we hope to, to reach out to anyone. Even if you don't have Medicare, we're not going to turn you away if you're interested in these workshops. Call us, email, sign up. If you're a caregiver of someone that has diabetes and you want to learn more about how to help them, you're definitely welcome to be a part of these workshops. Some people are pre-diabetics. There's a lot of people that don't even know that they have diabetes. So, these workshops are open to the community. Although we would love, if you do have diabetes, these are more meant for them, but we will not turn anyone away.
So just because we're running out of time, and it's a lot of good information, I want people to be able to reach you guys. So what's your contact information, Christina? What's the website people can go to and the phone number that they can reach you at?
The phone number is 732-238-5570, extension 2032. That's Karen. And if they want more information, they could go to the Quality Insights website at http://qualityinsights-qin.org.
Well, ladies, thank you. This has been very informative, and we thank you for the wonderful services that you provide here to people of East Brunswick. This is Barbara Reese reporting for This Week in East Brunswick. Thank you for joining us.